At Cognex Hungary, we are developing world-leading products to track items through each stage of production and distribution using deep learning, 2D, 3D vision, and ID technology. Our teams solve the toughest problems in industrial machine vision to create the factory of the future.
Our focus is to create products with diverse application potential to increase the quality of manufacturing processes.
At Cognex, we appreciate the leisure time with our colleagues just as much as their contributions on the job, where our motto, work hard, play hard, move fast.
If you want to work for a technology leader, come and join us in Budapest.